Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.54. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a gain of 0.21%. This translates to an average return of 0.01% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 198.07% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 81.1% to 578.53%. When considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a negative change of 25.92%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to 1,563.58% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $0 and 198.88. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $11.96. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 14.67% on the last day, Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, from $14.01 to $11.96. It has now declined for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 26.77%, reaching a low of $11.60 and a high of $14.71. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 50.7% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 247,000 shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $29,360,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price is 97.65%, or $497.65, below the 52-week high, and 99.92%, or $14,288.05, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc., traded under the symbol MLGO, has experienced significant market movement recently, driven primarily by strategic actions from its major stakeholder, WiMi Hologram Cloud. Following WiMi's announcement on the 27th of March, 2025, that it has increased its ownership in MicroAlgo to approximately 67.65%, shares surged 45%, reaching $17.15. This substantial increase in ownership, combined with a commitment to a 10-year lockup period for these shares, signals strong confidence from WiMi in MicroAlgo's business and future prospects. In addition, MicroAlgo recently proposed to issue new shares at 80 cents each as part of a funding strategy linked to a previous convertible bond agreement. While this could dilute existing shares in the short term, the funding is essential for continuing development of innovative quantum computing algorithms, including advancements in quantum neural networks and collaborative algorithms aimed at improving efficiency. The combination of increased insider ownership and continued research and development efforts positions MicroAlgo favorably for both short and long-term growth. In the short term, Increased confidence may drive higher trading volumes and stock price appreciation. Long-term, the company's focus on quantum technology has the potential to enhance infrastructure and competitiveness, possibly leading to sustained investor interest and valuation increases. Overall, the recent news positions MLGO as a stock to watch in the evolving technology landscape, underpinned by a solid foundation in quantum innovation. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 50.7%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been generated, which may influence short-term developments. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $16.89. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $9.94. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 224 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 38 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 18 days ago. Again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 25 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as having very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.11 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 26.77%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 22.56%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $13.99. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a viable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $11.93. If this support level holds, it may present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.36, reflecting a decrease of 5%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? Several of the signals and indicators are negative, which we believe will impact development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity with expectations that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we anticipate MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 798 cents, starting trading at $12.75. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any transactions involving securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.